Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Seed and Bean Coffee Espresso Fine Dark Mini Bar. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a 25 gram of organic dark chocolate with coffee in it. And it is vegan and contains no palm oil. And taking a look at the details on the back of the packet. So the ingredients as well as the nutrition information. And to give you an idea of the size of this 25 gram bar of mini dark chocolate with espresso, resting in the palm of my hand right there. Okay, now let's go ahead and unwrap it. So just tearing open the paper wrapper, and of course pulling back the foil as well to reveal the Seed and Bean organic dark chocolate with coffee. So this is the fine dark mini bar, and of course giving you a look as it is before I start handling it. So I can smell the very intense aroma from the chocolate, as well as a very slight hint of coffee as well. Just setting it down and resting it on the tabletop, just giving you a nice clear view as it sits. Okay, now let's go ahead and of course pick it out from its packet. So I'm just going to turn it right around so that the top is facing upwards. So you have a nice good view. Of course, the chocolate has broken apart into two pieces, but just showing you as it is. Just neatening things up slightly right here and giving you a look at the color and of course the details on the chocolate. So you can see there are some symbols, and of course the Seed and Bean branding at the bottom piece. So 4 pieces or 4 segments in total. So right there, as I slowly slide down and show you the entire chocolate bar. So this is a mini bar weighing 25 grams. Okay, so let's pick up the pieces right here. Well, it should have been a single complete mini bar, but of course broken in transport and handling. So right there, giving you a nice good look at the cross section as well of this Seed and Bean Coffee Espresso Fine Dark Mini Bar. Oops, just dropped it on the floor, but that's just fine. You could hear just how solid that piece was, the little piece that fell onto the wooden floor. And now let's go ahead and break this piece apart, but before I do that, just showing you the thickness of this 25 gram mini bar, or at least this bigger portion of it. And here, let's break off a piece at the end. And you can hear that snap right there. Very loud and clear. And just giving you a look at the cross section of this Seed and Bean Coffee Espresso Fine Dark Mini Bar. Okay, so now let's go ahead and taste it. So I'm just going to set that piece down. And let's pop this piece in my mouth. Let's get that focus on there. So it has a really nice flavor and that slight hint of coffee in it. And of course there's that very slight gritty texture, which I believe might be the coffee beans in it, which is about 2% according to the ingredients. So a nice kind of balanced flavor between the coffee and the chocolate, complementing each other without overpowering each other. So really nice balanced taste to this Seed and Bean Coffee Espresso Fine Dark Mini Bar. So that's the Seed and Bean Coffee Espresso Fine Dark Mini Bar. Thanks for watching and happy eating!